We're going to keep the order. We'll keep the order. Maestro, start the first round. So go line up your something. All right. So one more song each, and then we're going to go back to the judges. The judges are going to give their final decision, and we'll pick a winner. Mr. Bennett, are you listening? All right, good. Cool face? All right. So listen to me. Crowd and the judges, one more song each. Everybody put one finger on the air right now. One finger. One more song. Maestro, you're going to start the tune for tune. Boom, boom, you're going to play the last song. And then crowd and the judges will pick a winner. Because that one are very close. Maestro, play your first song.
Thank you. Big up a big man, Sky Juice. Enough respect. I'm going to give Sky Juice a round of applause for me now. Thank you. Well, you know why I say big up Sky Juice? If I want the foundation, the foundation in this business of sound clash. I say Sky Juice, him teach me enough things in the craft here. I live and learn by that. Him say when you're going to sound clash youth, don't juggle like you're in the parade. Don't go regular. Don't go on like you want to skettle out sound clash. So you see the song I'm going to play right now? That song here, I want the baddest sound clash song. Listen to what the final one. Me right up, boom, boom, now. Jack the song.
At a Maestro, boom, boom, can't find them classic tune here. Run things, Everton Blender said that. Sing at a Maestro. Think we not see, you know. We just steer, sir. Fire! Fire! Boom, boom, sound under fire.
Listen!
Fire! Boom, boom, sound under fire. Fire! Boom, boom, sound under fire. Maestro, I kill boom, boom in a Guinness sound clash too.
People, calm down on yourself. And me place first vintage a while ago half point. No. All who see a truth, do it here. You feel like me, I follow him. You feel like me, I follow him.
Huh. Hey, ciao, boom, boom, hurry up, one to them.
Shut up, me man,
Hey, ciao, one to them. Hey, ciao, party convention. It's a boom, boom, hurry up session. Helly, hey, ciao, ready, let's do this. Do it.
Machine up everything the time we run through it.
Party kill elephant.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Put the party up in the name.
Boom, boom, hurry up. One to them. Solid squad. When we are party, that's how we stay high. When them say boom, boom, them say pop in the class, so nothing move.
I'm a party, make we start it, tell if I
Yo!
Not dead. Dead.
Judges! Many two select them. Stand up with us, stand up with us. Stand up with us. Stand up, sir. Maestro, come. No, listen me. Step forward, make we finish this. Maestro, make we finish it. Judges. Shamil. All right, Guinness. Right now, we're going to go to the judges. I want to get their final decision on who won this clash. Cool face. Tell me who win that clash here.
Boy, I know like the clash is close. I never know who to pick, but now I make up my mind for sure who win. Boom, boom, it go on good, but that killer then I lost. You go lose that killer then I lost. You go lose that killer then. So right now, at a Maestro, don't go town. sound dead. Guinness sounds of greatness.
Stand behind the D. Don't step over here, sir. Don't come cross. Don't come cross. Mikey Bennett, who do you have as a winner?
Well, my winner, same winner. Maestro, I say from the first time. Said still.
Stand over there, sir. Stand over there, sir. All right. So here's what we're going to do now. I'm going to ask the crowd, who do you think won this very close clash? Okay. Oh, stand over there, sir. Stand over there, sir. Stand behind the DJ. Maestro, stand behind the DJ booth. Stand. Boom, boom. Stand behind the DJ booth. Whoever you guys say win is going to juggle 15 minutes, all right? No noise. By a show of hands. How much say boom, boom win that clash here? Hands, hands. No noise. Hands. Hands alone, hands. By a show of hands, how many say Maestro win that clash here? Boom, boom, big up yourself. 100% respect and honor. Maestro, you advance to the next round. And right now you're going to juggle 15 minutes. Big up yourself. Guinness sounds of greatness. This is one of the baddest clashes ever, trust me. Shamil, tell me about that clash here. That one that is close.
Wow, congratulations. Wow, congratulations, Maestro. You will go on to round 2 of the competition where you'll be playing Black Blunt. Hot Shots, you have represented well. Next week, we're going to phase 2 of the competition, round 2, where we'll be seeing returning Hot Shot Sounds, Rich Squad, and Brother Hype facing off. It's gonna be mad. If you want to be a part of this exciting audience, then all you need to do is pick up 2 bottles of Guinness at select service stations, and you have a chance of being a part of the biggest session in town. Remember, we also want to hear from you, so tweet to us at Guinness Carib or visit our Facebook page at Guinness Caribbean. Till next time, drink responsibly. I'm Shamil, your Smiles of Brightness. Peace out.